Hello everyone. So we are recording Codechef 2110 editorial, and as of now we are discussing this problem, delete sorted subsequence. Question is very much simple. You are given one S. Now you have to say that what is the minimum operation required to make it balanced, right? So in these two things are there which we have to know, what is operation and what is balanced. Let's talk about when S is balanced. You may start with an empty substring. You may add 0 at the front and 1 at the back, so you will get 0 1, so that you can keep on doing this. Now, so can I say that 0 0 1 1 is balanced? Same way, can I say 0 1 is also balanced? Another way is you can concatenate to balance the string. You can concatenate to balance the string, and resultant will be also balanced. So I hope you able to understand what is balanced and how we can form. Now let's talk about minimum operations. Now first of all, operation is you can select a substring, or let's say particularly saying you can select a sorted subsequence and you can delete it from S. Now how many times you need to perform this, minimum time you need to perform this operation on S to make the S balance, that is the output. Okay, so first of all, what is sorted subsequence? You can delete like 0 0 0 1 1 1 1, or you may delete 0 0 0 1 1 1 1, but this is not required, if I will say, because if it is already balanced, why you want to delete it, right? So it's not required. So basically saying, if I will summarize it, you may delete multiple zeros, you may delete multiple ones. Now let's understand by this. Let's take one example, 1 0 1 0 1 0. If I will take this example, then to make this balanced, as question doesn't say we have to make minimum or maximum balanced length. As of now, it's just saying balanced. One way is you may delete this one on you, and again you can delete this 0. So string you got is 0 1 0 1 is balanced. Another thing you can do is, first of all, in one operation you can delete all the ones. This is subsequence, I have deleted all ones. Second operation you deleted all zeros, right? So in this way also it became balanced. Now can I summarize this, that your answer will be always less than equal to 2, or to be more particular, it will be 0 1 or 2, because you can delete all the occurrences of zeros, you can delete all the occurrences of 1, you will get empty substring, and that is balanced. So your answer will be 0 1 or 2. Let's see the cases when my answer will be 0, when it will be 1, and when it will be 2. Okay, let's take the first example. If it is in this manner, now what we will do is, to check balanced, we will take its prefix sum. So whenever character is 0, we will do balance plus plus, or basically saying you will add plus 1. Whenever character is 1, you will simply do minus 1 in the balance. So when you got 0, you will do 1, you will do 2 3, then 1 you will subtract 1, 2 1 0, right? So as of now, if you will see, your balance is 0, right? And you nowhere hit negative, and you nowhere hit negative, and your balance never became 0. Balance never became negative, so your answer will be 0. Nothing is required. Now let's talk about this, and when balance will become negative. If I will give you, let's take second example as 1 1 1 or 1 1 0 0. Now let's calculate balance for this. It will become minus 1. Now you will see you are getting negative balance. Negative balance means that first ones are there, then zeros are there. Then minus 2, then it will become 1, then it will, minus 1, then it will become 0. You will see your balance is 0, but you hit negative. And I hit negative anywhere. So can I say that for this answer 2 is only possible? Because first ones are there, then zeros are there. So we have to delete all the zeros, we have to delete all the ones. My string will become empty and my balance will be 2. Right? So this is one test case. Now let's continue forward. Let's take third test case as okay. Let's solve this. Now it will be again as this. So let's say balance will become minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. No, sorry, I did mistake. It will be minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So for 1 we are doing minus 1, right? Now your balance is not 0 now, your balance is minus 3, means that you have extra ones. So you have to delete extra ones, right? So can I say if you have extra ones, you will delete these extra ones from the beginning. So you will say, and how many extra ones you have? 3 extra ones you have, means balance. So you will say, can I delete these 3 ones? Yes, you can delete these 3 ones, and what you will get? 0 0 0 1 1 1. Now let's calculate its balance. 1 2 3 2 1 0. Again, if you will see, your balance is 0 and no negative, means you never hit negative. So your answer will be 1, because one operation you already did. Now let's talk about the fourth example now. If it is 1 1 1 0 0 0 0, let's calculate balance. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, this example will be resemblance of the above example itself. Okay, let's continue. Minus 3, then you will do minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Now your balance is 2. If your balance is 2, you will say that you have 2 extra zeros. If you have 2 extra zeros, can I say that you will try to remove these extra zeros from the ending, right? So because extra zeros will be good at the front, but you have to remove the extra zeros from the ending. So you will say that I will remove these 2 extra zeros. When you will remove these 2 extra zeros, you will get 1 1 1 0 0 0. Now again, if you will start calculating balance, it will become minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. If you will see, you hit negative. Now let's calculate balance. Minus 2, minus 1, 0. And we already covered this case. When your balance is 0 and you are hitting negative, your answer will be always 2. Right? So this is the summary of the question, that first you have to calculate balance. Let's just discuss this summary within 30 seconds. You have to calculate balance. Now if your balance is 0 and balance never became less than 0, right? So your answer will be 0, else your answer will be 2. Now after this, if balance is greater than 0, right, means you have extra zeros and you will remove from last. Else part, if your else part means balance is less than 0. If less than 0, you have extra ones and you will remove from beginning. Now once you are done with balancing, again you will find out the balance. Again you can assume this case, test case, you can work out. So again we have to find out balance here, and again we have to check, is my balance hitting negative or not. So again, if your balance is 0 and no negative hit, your answer will be 1, because you have removed something here, zeros or ones. Else again your answer will be 2, where you will remove everything. So this is the summary of this question. I hope you able to understand this. Thank you all.